What are you doing here? Look, I'm trying to record a video and you're ruining it. Come on. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. It's a bit windy today, hope you can hear me with this lav. It's MOT time in a few days for the 2013-14 Forester XT. Just going around checking all my lights are working properly. One of my rear license plate bulbs is gone, so I need to swap it out. I've done it a few times before. I tend to just drive with my side lights on. Done it for years. Happy to pay a couple of quid for a bulb as and when they go. So yeah, very easy job. It can be a little bit fiddly maybe, but let's get to it. So if I just switch the ignition on, you should be able to see that the left bulb is absolutely fine. It's the right bulb that is gone. So we'll switch them back off again. You might find that you might want a trim tool. It might just make it easier for you to pop out the light, but I've never used one, I don't think. It's just a certain knack to it, if I can remember. There we go. So what I've just done is I've pushed from the right, and the right hand side pops out, as you can see there, and then push from the left and the whole thing will drop down. I know the car's a bit dirty at the moment. I live in between an equestrian centre and dairy farmers, so it doesn't happen too often. So now our connection here, we can just unplug that with a little twist, and we can see from the colour of that bulb that is gone completely. Pull that out. So if you're wondering, these are the bulbs that we need. I live in the UK, so we have a shop called Halfords. They are 501 W5Ws. Yeah, pretty common bulb. You can find them pretty much anywhere. You can find them on Amazon or anything. I'll leave an Amazon link down below anyway. Make it easy. So yeah, I'm sure you can see just colour wise the difference. That's our new bulb. Nice and clear. This is the burnt out bulb. You can see that it's blown and there's soot or whatever on the inside. Gives it that sort of very shiny look actually. But yeah, let's get the new one in. Fresh bulb, you can just slot straight back in like so. Might be an idea to give it a little wipe. Get what nasty skin human oils you can off it. Then let's make sure we get this the right way around, shall we? You want it this way round the case, I believe. We'll find out in a minute. We can twist the fitting back on and into place, and then the reverse basically of what we did before. Put the left side in first, then we can push from the right and back, and that's back in place. So now let's see if they're working. There we go. Good as new. So yeah, that's how you can swap out the license plate bulb on the Subaru Forester XT. Thank you very much for watching. Hope it's helpful. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments, and otherwise make sure to subscribe for more videos about this car and others. See you next time.